Hello friends, what is this? Do you know it's English? Perhaps some people know it's English, but most of you don't know it's English. I myself don't know it's English. I was coming to make video in English language. On the way, I found this object. Then I thought that what its English will be, and I suddenly searched from Google, from dictionary, but I did not find its meaning, that what its English might be, because in regional language we call it Khangara, and what its English will be, I searched but I did not find. So I thought that I would make a video on this. If you know its English, then you can write down below in comment box that what is the English of this object. Same is the situation sometimes comes with us, that we don't know English of something or some objects. At that time we stuck. Instead of stucking, we should carry on. We should make elaboration of that, such as I will make a definition or elaboration of this object. Then I will try to make you understand that what is this object. This is the object, very beautifully shaped, as you are watching. Its shape is very beautiful, and sometimes it is used for village children to play, and you can also burn it. And this object is from the tree, which is very tall tree. That tree is called pine tree, very lengthy, very tall tree, and it is found on the top of that tree, and sometimes when winds blow, it drops from that tall tree, and you can find laying on the land. So what will be its exact English? If we don't know the exact English of any object, then we can elaborate its definition through different examples. We can make other person understand. As I made its definition, and you are very near to understand. Another example, if I would give you another example, that example is if you are speaking English language, suddenly you have forgotten the English of onion, you know, and you want to make other person understand that what you want to say. You can say in this way, that that object is like a ball, and that is used to in vegetables, and when you cut, you cry. Then other person, if the other person is intelligent, he can understand from your definition that you are talking about the onion. So don't become stuck during your conversation. If you don't know the English of any object or any thing, then try to elaborate that thing in different way, so that other person can judge you that you are talking about this specific thing. And communication means that you want to make other person understand Don't try to use too much fancy words or exact words. If you are non-native, you don't know the English of so many objects and things. At that time you can use your mind. You can elaborate about that thing to make other person understand. In this way, I think that you will speak very good English language without becoming stuck. I am hopeful that from this video you will get an inspiration to speak more fluently whenever you forget the exact English of any object or thing. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you know the English of this object, please write down below in comment box so other would know about its English. Hope you find this video useful. Next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Bye bye.